English language introducing capital H, simple H and capital I, simple I.
Hi kids, good morning. It's Jana teacher again. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy. Children, you always try to be happy, right? Okay. Now, shall we sing a song? Yeah, I hope you all like it. Yes, once I caught a fish alive. Let's sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why would you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Okay. Did you enjoy? Are you happy? Right. Then, let's start today's lesson.
Children, let's revise last time letters that we have learned before we start today's lesson. This is capital E. This is simple E. Capital E, simple E. Now let's revise what are the pictures that beginning with letter E. Egg, eagle, ear, elephant, eye, earth, envelope, earrings. Here you can see the correct formation of writing capital E and simple E. By looking at these red arrows, you can get an idea. And also you can see how to write capital E and simple E in your double rule book. There are two pictures. Okay, next we have learned capital F and simple F. Capital F, simple F. Let's see the pictures that beginning with letter F. Fish, face, flower, frock, frog, fence, fingers, fan. Now this is the correct formation of writing capital F and simple F. And also you can see how we can write capital F and simple F in a double rule book. Okay. Alright kids, finally we have learned capital G and simple G. Capital G, simple G. Let's see the pictures that beginning with letter G. Girl, goat, grapes, giraffe, glue, grass, goose, gate, ghost. Here you can see the correct formation of writing capital G and simple G. See the red arrows carefully. Alright, next you can see how we can write capital G and simple G in your double rule book. Understood? Alright kids, then we'll start today's lesson. Introducing capital H and simple H. This is capital H. Capital H. This is simple H. Simple H. Capital H. Simple H. Now let's see what are the pictures that beginning with letter H. H for hen. H for hat. H for hot. H for hot. Here you can see a hot tea. Hot. H for house. H for horse. H for hand. H for hippopotamus, or you can call hippo. Hippopotamus. H for hammer. H for honey. Have you ever tasted this honey? It's really delicious. Honey. We get honey from bee. Honey. Alright kids, shall we repeat? Hen, hat, hut, hot, house, horse, hand, hippopotamus, or you can call hippo, hammer, honey. Now let's see what is the correct formation of writing H. First, we'll move on to capital H. Starting from the top, draw two standing lines one after the other till the bottom. Then go to the middle and join the two lines with the sleeping line. Got it? Starting from the top, draw two standing lines one after the other till the bottom, then go to the middle and join the two lines with the sleeping line. Next, we'll move on to simple H. Start from the top and make a standing line to the bottom, then go to the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Start from the top and make a standing line to the bottom, then go to the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. By looking at these red arrows, you can get an idea how to write this capital letter and simple letter H into the correct form. Alright kids, next we'll see how we're going to write capital H in your double rule book. Here you can see that. Now we'll see how to write simple H in your double rule book. Right? Okay. Now teacher will show you how to write capital H and simple H on the whiteboard. Just see the formation. Alright kids, next we are going to learn capital I and simple I. Let's learn. This is capital I, capital I. This is simple I, simple I, capital I, simple I. Alright kids, let's see what are the pictures that beginning with letter I. I for ink. I for infant. Infant. Infant is a baby. We call baby as infant. Infant. Alright. Next. Igloo. I for igloo. Igloo is a snow house or snow hut. It is type of shelter built of snow. Igloo. Next, I for insects. Insects are kind of tiny animals and they are the largest group of animals on the earth. Here you can see some insects. a butterfly, a ladybug, a grasshopper, flies, mosquitoes, caterpillar, dragonfly. They are insects. Insects. Next, I for induction. I for iguana. I for ice cream. I for ice. Alright kids, let's repeat. Ink, infant, igloo, insects, injection, iguana, ice cream, ice. Now we'll see what is the correct formation of writing letter I. First, we'll move on to capital I. Start from the top and make one standing line down. Then make two small sleeping lines, one at the top and another at the bottom. Got it? Start from the top and make one standing line down. Then make two small sleeping lines, one at the top and another at the bottom. Alright, next we'll move on to simple I. Start from the middle to make one standing line down and small dot above the line. Right? Start from the middle to make one standing line down and small dot above the line. Children, remember when you keep this dot, you don't need to color or circle the dot. Just keep as it is as a dot. Alright? Okay. I hope you can understand this. By looking at these arrows, you can get an idea. Alright? Now, we'll see how to write capital I in your double ruled book. Here you can see that. Next, we'll see how to write simple letter I in your double ruled book. Alright? Next, teacher will show you how to write capital I and simple I in the whiteboard. Alright.
Alright kids, I hope you all learned today's lesson well. Then, I'm going to stop my lesson for today. We will meet in another new lesson. Until then, take care and be happy. Bye-bye.